Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi 10T, Mi 10T Pro and Mi 10T Lite is now officially launched. Mi 10T features Android 10 based MIUI 12 and Full HD Plus resolution with 144Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 865 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM. The Mi 10T Pro almost features the same specifications as Mi 10T, but Mi 10T Pro features a 108 megapixel primary sensor at the rear and Mi 10T features 64 megapixel primary sensor at the rear. Both the phones are backed with 5000 mAh battery and 33W fast charging support. Talking about Mi 10T Lite, the phone is powered with Snapdragon 750G processor paired with 6GB of RAM, 64 megapixel quad rear setup, 120Hz refresh rate and 4820 mAh battery. Xiaomi launched their phone in European markets for now, where Mi 10T is priced at €499, Mi 10T Pro at €549 and Mi 10T Lite is priced at €279. Next update that we have is about Cubo Baby Cam. Cubo Baby Cam is now officially launched in India. The cam features AI-enabled baby cry alert to isolate baby's cry from surrounding noise and generate an instant alert on its app if the baby is upset. The monitor has a full HD camera with crystal clear night vision. It is also equipped with a two-way talk feature with echo cancellation that lets parents stay connected with babysitters or their children in their absence. The Cubo Baby Cam is priced at 7490 rupees in India and is up for purchase on Amazon.in and Firstcry.com. At number 3, we have news from Google. Google Nest Audio Smart Speaker is now officially launched with improved acoustic, slimmer design and 50% stronger bass than original Google Home. The Google Nest is powered with a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor clocked at 1.8 GHz. The speaker has been announced in chalk, charcoal, sage, sand and sky color variants. It will be available to go on sale in US, Canada and India starting October 5 and 21 more countries from October 15. Talking about the price, the speaker is priced at $99.99 which is roughly equals to 7,400 rupees in India. Listing further, we have news about Google Assistant. Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G are now official. Phones include a few software tweaks to enhance the user experience. One such feature introduced on the two phones enable user to use their time more productively while waiting on a call for a customer support representative. Called Hold for Me, this feature does waiting for the user and notifies them when a representative finally comes on the call. The feature is introduced as an early preview on Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G. The feature can be enabled and disabled in the settings manually. Moving forward to the fifth update that we have is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy A3 Core is officially launched in Nigeria for now. The phone features Android Go Edition, TFT LCD panel, 1GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, where 10.6GB of storage will be available out of the box. 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera are available. The phone is packed with 3000 mAh battery. The price of the phone is 32,500 Nigerian Naira. Next update that we have is about Google Photos. Google is rolling out new editor for Google Photos on Android. The update will have machine learning powered automatic one-tap suggestion, granular control and cleaner interface. Google will also let you see the specific edits it made and tweak them to your liking. The redesigned user interface could draw in more users to directly edit their photos in the Google Photos and without having to rely on third-party apps. The updated app has begun rolling out for all Android devices. At number 7, we have news about Google Chromecast with TV. Google Chromecast with TV is now officially launched featuring 4K HDR up to 60 frames per second, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus and H.265 streams. The Chromecast with Google TV features dual band Wi-Fi 802.11 AC connectivity. The remote alongside features an accelerometer sensor and microphone. The Google Chromecast device with Google TV is priced at $49.99 which is roughly equivalent to 3,700 rupees in India. Availability and original price in India is not revealed yet by the company. Next update that we have is again from Google. Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G is now officially launched, where Google Pixel 5 features Android 11, 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED display, 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 765G processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone features 12.2 plus 16 megapixel dual rear setup and 8 megapixel front camera with support of 4K 60 frames per second video recording. The phone is packed with 4080 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support. Talking about Google Pixel 4a 5G, the phone features 6.2 inches OLED display and Android 11 out of the box. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 765G processor paired with 6GB of RAM, 12.2 megapixel primary sensor and 16 megapixel secondary sensor at the rear. The phone is backed with 3885 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support. If we talk about the prices, the Pixel 4a 5G is priced at $499 and Pixel 5 is priced at $699. The phones are not arriving in India. However, here is a good news that Google Pixel 4a is about to launch in India, which is the 4G variant of Pixel 4a 5G, and the availability of Google Pixel 4a will be on October 17 in India via Flipkart. The Indian pricing is not revealed yet by the company, but what I think is the price will be between 30,000 to 40,000 rupees in India. Till then, keep guessing the price in the comment section. So the last update that we have is about Motorola Moto Razr 5G. Guys, Motorola Moto Razr 5G is confirmed to be launched in India, and the date teased by the company is October 5 and the time is 12 PM. The phone was launched in US few weeks ago, where it was priced at $1,399, which was roughly equivalent to 1,03,000 rupees in India. The phone comes in 3 color options: blush gold, polished graphite and liquid mercury. Let's see what will be the official price of Motorola Moto Razr 5G in India. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Well, don't leave the comment section empty this time. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.